Hi Cancer, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Cancer, this reading is for March 2021. It's a general reading and it may or may not resonate with everyone. So take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Cancer, I sense a lot of restless energy surrounding you. Restless and anxious energies. Yeah, see? Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is Ace of Pentacles. Cancer, I have a feeling this reading is all about a new beginning when it comes to work and even in love for some of you. You guys have been waiting for something to happen, and some of you are beginning to get frustrated and are on the brink of giving up. But don't let this bog you down, because good news is coming your way. Yes, there were moments when it seemed as if nothing is ever going to work out, and you're going to be left wondering what went wrong, what you could have done to improve the situation, and some of you might be sinking in a you might feel a sinking feeling in the pit of your stomach. You might be going through sleepless nights. You are waiting for a new beginning to come your way. Some of you feel that the profession that you're stuck in isn't meant for you, and that you should have been doing something else, but you're stuck here due to a lot of responsibilities that are on your shoulder, or probably you're just qualified in that area and now you realize that academically it was okay, but when it comes to practicality in daily life, the profession that you've chosen isn't really meant for you, or the person that you're with could have been a little more understanding, and now you're stuck with the kind of work that you don't like and the kind of person that makes you uncomfortable. Now, this is a general reading. These are just messages that need to reach one of you, probably few of you, or all of you. So just take what resonates with you. A lot of you are feeling beaten and defeated when it comes to your relationship with somebody. You want someone to make the move towards you. You want to offer a new beginning to somebody, but they're not looking at you. Or you felt that they were too practical and they've just um, undermined your emotions, and either they are in complete denial of your emotions, or they see you make an effort, but they're not willing to give you a chance. Cancer, now that was happening in the past and you found yourself feeling a little stuck, or struggling with your own thoughts whether or not to give up trying. But they see you, Cancer, they see the effort that you're putting in, and for some of you, this person that you are so keenly pursuing is going to make a move towards you, because they are going through something and when they hit rock bottom, the only face they want to see at that time, when they have nobody else to go to, they will come to you, Cancer. But I don't know if you'll be there to welcome them again, or if you'd have moved on. So let's see some extra messages for Cancer. Some of you could be starting new jobs, happy things coming your way when it comes to finances, a financial boon, new beginnings when it comes to investments. You must have invested in something, property, bonds, share market, something like that, and now you're going to be reaping the fruit of it. Could be dealing with a Leo person. You've got the Tower card twice. Heavy scorpionic energies. Either you have Scorpio in your chart, or you're dealing with somebody who has Scorpio in theirs. Eight of Pentacles. You're getting double cards, Cancer, and you've got the Three of Pentacles as well. But this one's in reverse. You are sitting on a fence when it comes to work. Should I continue working in this field? Should I let it go? Should I wait for some time till something great comes my way? And it's causing a lot of anxiety, and you're feeling stuck. Negativity is surrounding you. But you've got the Wheel of Fortune, end of cycles and relationships, negative work cycles, and beginning of new ones, better ones, happier ones. You've got two nines, Nine of Swords, which is a lot of anxiety and stuck in dilemmas. Just have faith, guys. You've got the King of Cups in reverse. Yeah, so I have a feeling whoever this person that was keeping you hanging, Cancer, the person that you were so keenly pursuing, since they haven't shown any sign of them welcoming this effort that you've been putting in towards them, you're going to be moving on, and as soon as you move on, Cancer, they will realize your absence, they will feel the pain, they will feel guilty about not giving you a chance and denying the fact that you are one of a kind, Cancer. They will reach out, but I don't think you're going to give in. But at the end of the day, Cancer, it's all up to you. Tarots can only show what could happen, not what will happen. So just take it however it resonates with you. Good news is coming your way. Passionate new beginnings, either in relationships. I have a feeling the moment you start liking somebody else, this person will come back to you. Or has come back to you. Yeah. Major endings and new beginnings are coming your way. You're waiting for your ships to arrive, Cancer. And somebody wants to communicate with you and tell you how they truly feel about you, but they're scared of your reaction, about how you're going to respond, and that is bogging them down. Now this could be a third party, somebody you've known in passing but haven't really given them a chance. Right now you're just dealing with somebody who's not giving you any chances. And there could be somebody else who wants to offer you something, but they're just scared of rejection. But good news is coming your way, Cancer. Just hang in there some more time. Things are changing in your favor, Cancer. Don't worry. Now let's see some extra messages. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot card reading. Choices. Number 22 could be important. 7, 8, 10, 9 are important. So keep an eye out for them. Even 6 is important for some of you. The letter Q could be important. You could be facing a lot of choices and dilemmas, and you could be sitting on a fence not knowing what to do. Let go. You've got the answer to let go. If I haven't already mentioned it, number 22 could be important for some of you. Relax. Everything is okay. Don't worry. Things will be fine before you know. Loosen your grip. Coping mechanisms. Let God in. Sometimes we hold on to people and things so tightly, even if they're burning our hand. Intuition. Number 36 could be important for some of you. Do everything with your heart, give it your 100%. If it doesn't work out, Cancer, at least you won't regret not giving it your 100%. Do your job and then let the universe handle it. Let your higher self handle it. Okay? Don't hold on too tightly. You might hurt yourself. Show the world the real you. It's time to take action. Your commitment is being tested. A win-win outcome is forecast. And it's time to release like negativity, let go, relax. You've got 3 full moons, one new moon. Aquarius, Aries, Libra, Scorpio people could be important to you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn could be important. I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. That is true. Okay, so we will dedicate this beautiful rose quartz crystal to you, Cancer, so that it can heal your heart and make you feel the love that you are truly missing. And if you miss someone, I hope they reach out to you. I hope this reading made sense to you, Cancer. Thank you for watching. Bye.